So the main engagement metric in Google Analytics right now is engaged sessions. Engaged session is something where a user is on the website more than 10 seconds or views more than 2 pages or makes a conversion event. What is even more interesting is Google Analytics now tries to count users and separate users and sessions better. So now we have a metric that is also called engaged sessions per user. That means that we can see how many good sessions, engaged sessions, a user has made in the selected time span, right? So we can see how often people come back to our website. Of course, we can also look at the engagement rate. So that is the percentage of people that have had an engaged session via the percentage of people that didn't made an engaged session. And that is somehow probably the most important metric that we want to look at. Also, we have an average engagement time now in Google Analytics 4. What we have to understand is that it also measures the time for the people that only watched one page. So the average engagement time can be no different from the time on site that you know from Universal Analytics. Also, scrolling on the web page, so how far on the web page a user has come, is now a default metric in Google Analytics 4. We can see that in Google Analytics. So unique user scrolls is defined here by the percentage of users or the number of users that have scrolled up to 90% of a specific page. So it's great that we can see now directly, without any additional programming or setting up of analytics, how people are really consuming our content. Are they scrolling down? Are they checking the whole page or not? And of course, then see the pages based on that. Of course, we have events. Of course, we have conversions in Google Analytics. Of course, we have revenue if we are an e-commerce site in Google Analytics in the same way as we did previously. We don't have goals. Goals are now events, or goals are now conversion events. We're not going to go into details here. So these are the most important conversion metrics that we can look for in Google Analytics 4.